Hey everybody, I've been hearing this weird noise right over here. I don't know what it is. Romeo, do you know what it is? Do you know what it is? Do you know that noise that's happening? I hear this weird noise. Okay. Yeah, this cat is so adorable. Alright. I'm gonna see what this weird noise is. I don't know if the fish know what noise it is. Do you know what noise it is? Well, of course they can't talk. They're fish. What my bunnies know? I know they're annoyed by it, especially this one, which you can barely see. You know, he's a bit shy right now. Oh, I see what it is now. That's what that weird noise is. It's Fenico. She's invaded my computer. Okay.